Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Mixpanel Product Analytics Review My Usage Experience. Mixpanel Product Analytics Review My Usage Experience offers product analytics services for businesses. It helps companies understand user behavior on their websites and apps, allowing them to make data-driven decisions to improve their products. Key features likely include event tracking, user segmentation, funnel analysis, and custom dashboards. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Their website highlights ease of use, particularly for those with some analytical experience. They emphasize clear pricing, though specifics aren't listed on the landing page. You'll need to contact them for a quote. Mixpanel uses a robust event tracking system and boasts real-time data updates. Availability is global. You can check their website for details on specific features and integrations. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Mixpanel Product Analytics Review My Usage Experience. Setting up my account was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through connecting my app and setting up my first events, which took less than an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive once I grasped the fundamental concepts. I particularly enjoyed using the pre-built funnels to analyze user drop-off points in our sign-up process. This allowed me to identify a significant bottleneck in the form submission section. The real-time data updates were incredibly helpful, giving me immediate feedback on A/B test results. The dashboards are highly customizable, and I was able to create reports tailored to my specific needs, easily sharing them with my team. I had a quick question about setting up cohort analysis, and their support responded within a day via email, very responsive and helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, even for someone who's not a data scientist. The standout feature for me was definitely the custom event tracking, allowing me to pinpoint exactly where users were having issues. One minor drawback was the steep learning curve for some of the more advanced features. It took me a little while to fully grasp the power of segmentation. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Mixpanel. It's a powerful tool that provides valuable insights into user behavior, helping us make data-driven decisions to improve our product. That's my overview of Mixpanel Product Analytics Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.